All right, guys. Yesterday I had a little fall, dropped the veteran Sherman, and it tumbled down bald rock a little bit, knocked off some of my plastic PEX guards that I have on it. The rope and tape took the grunt of the drop, and if you look, you can tell that it did take some of that sports tape off of it. So what I'm doing today is I'm just going to rewrap the bars to make it look like I didn't drop it. I didn't do much damage to it. I scratched the fender up a little bit and the bottom of the pedals a little bit, but that's, you know, you're gonna have that. But I like to keep it looking a little bit nice. So what I'm gonna do here is I've taken my sports tape and I've went ahead and wound it up backwards so that it's easier to get on the unicycle. So the reason why I put this on here was just for the extra protection, and it did its job yesterday. When it hit, it bounced a few times and it tore it up. So this is how you fix your bars after you drop it and trash them a little bit. Just, you don't have to take anything back off. You just go ahead and tape over the sports tape that was existing, and you have a brand new looking bar again. Bald rock was something yesterday though. Had a lot of fun on it. Today we're gonna go do some mountain trails and get a little footage of that. I hope they're not too steep, but I hope it's challenging. So that was one of my pre-wrapped sports tape. So all I do is use the regular blue. So I pre-wrapped a few of these so I didn't have to wrap them on and waste your time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this other bar. Get it around the head tail light there. You can trim up the little pieces if they're too chunky. Depends on how hard you fall. But this is pretty much all you have to do is wrap your bars back again and it looks brand new. Now, in the Pimping My Ride video, I showed you guys that I've made some extra padding to within the top of the unit there, and it has given me so much more stability. I'm really happy with the padding. The padding does its job. It helps me stay on the Sherman a lot better. But anyway, doesn't that look good? Just a little bit of tape. It's amazing what just a little bit of tape would do for you. Now, that was a pretty big hit right there. It did loosen my headlight yesterday as well. But I just tightened it back up. See if I can get around this headlight. I'm at my buddy's house on the river today. This is where we start the majority of the filming. All right, so I've messed that up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off and start again. Tricky part is getting around the headlight. Once you get started though, you're good. That big chunk area, the chunk that came out of it, just covers right up, nobody will even know. Well, you guys will know. That's all you gotta do is rewrap your rope and your old tape and pretty much have a brand new look again. One more roll. I've rolled up, pre-rolled 4 of them. Just took the sports tape and rolled it backwards on itself. That way that I can get it around the bar, because you can't get the big tape, of course, around it. So. And there you got it. Rewrapped and looking brand new. And that's how you repair your bars after crashing them. There we go. Good as new again. Look at that. A little dirty, a little scratched up, but no major damage. It did flip around 2 or 3 times on the ground, but the Shermans are tough. I love it. Here we go. That's how you repair your bars.